Okay. Enough. Hi. Try to do something. Apparently, didn't work. Once again. How do you hear me now? Let me know how do you hear me. Hi. Okay, now the sound is better. Ladies, gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. No matter if you have good internet or bad internet. As you all know, I'm in Koh Phangan, Thailand. Internet? So. It is what it is. Also, financial freedom has its own price. Everything has price. Now it's good. Do you see me good? How's the lighting? How is the lighting? Hi, everybody. Hi, Amir, Harel, Yuval, Tomer, Ofer, hi, Yerushalmi, thank you very much for joining. Eli, Rafael, Avihu, thank you very much for joining. Who else is with me? Samsung. How is Boston? How cold is Boston, Samsung? How cold is Boston? Hi, Rami. Yeah. Some sun. It's 8:30 p.m. -7. Can never live in these kind of places. Never. So, what should we talk about today? Hi, Nadav. If you can check TA35, I will do it. What should we talk about today? Yesterday post earnings, everything crashed. AMD now -4.5% pre-market. Amazon 1.5, Google 5.3, Meta 2.4, Nvidia 2% to the downside, Tesla 2.6, Microsoft holding everything, trying at least to hold everything on its shoulder. And yes, we are red today and tomorrow. Yesterday, sorry. All our swings, at least my swings, I'm in the red. Not surprising, but it's a measurement risk. This is what we do. We risk. We are risk takers, but we manage our risk. This is the 2 hours inside the yellow zone. Futures 2 hours inside the yellow zone. As you can see, no trading zone. Once price is inside the zone, it is a no trading zone. You want to go short? Wait for price to break below. You want to go long? Wait for price. Break above. Once we are inside this yellow zone, and it doesn't matter the time frame that you are trading, it's a no-go, no trading zone. Now on the 15 minutes, broke below, but we need to break below also on the 2 hours, and then we can start taking our short towards the 48.76. Breaking above, I don't see it happening today. Above the 49,000, we will see 49.30, but in my opinion, today will be a red day all across the board. Thursday, another super important day. Apple, Meta, Amazon, everything on Amazon's and Meta's shoulders. Why? Because in my opinion, the market will not like what Apple has to say. My opinion, at least. So, anyone? Let's check PA 35. 35. Moving sideways. Remove the noise. Moving sideways, holding above the yellow zone. As you can see, the FTI at its current version 5, works on everything. It works on everything. Just one click away, we also have the special patch to add some trend lines. But as you can see, it also works. Surprising on PA 35, holding above the yellow zone, breaking inside the yellow zone, and this is our goodbye signal for long. You want to go long, in my opinion, only above 1900. Until then, nothing much. Breaking below this 1820, you will see 1800 and then 1776. Breaking below the 1776, and we are heading towards the 700s and the 1645. So this is my 2 cents on PA 35. CLSK. What do we have? Let's clean the chart. We don't need any indicators because we have the FTI version 5 inside the yellow zone. And what do we know about the yellow zone? This is a no-go zone. No trading once price is inside. We adjust it a little bit like this. Now looks better. Once we are inside the yellow zone, don't trade. This is what the FTI is all about. Helps us to make better decisions, smarter decisions, help us. What's wrong today with the chart? Help us get better understanding where price might be heading next and fight our own emotions. You can adjust the trend lines, of course. Let's do the trend lines according to the Fibonacci level 2, which will be much more accurate. Thank you very much, Yerushalmi, for this amazing super chat. I appreciate it very much. This is why we do these lives. We do these lives to help each other grow as traders, better traders. Thank you very much for this super chat. This is CLSK. KDP. We've talked about KDP a few days ago, no? I remember something. No, this we don't. Kruger, Dr. Pepper. Hate this drink. Just hate it. Excuse me 1 second. The AC killed me. You go from outside, it's 35 degrees. Inside, it's freezing cold. Sorry. also happens live. Sorry about that. KDP struggling to go back inside the yellow zone. As long as KDP, the price is below the yellow zone, no long. You need to wait for price to close above the 32.55. If I was you, I would wait for Monday. APP. Ladies, gentlemen, every day the same tickers. You know APP without anything. What do you see on APP? Anything. No indicators, no nothing. Just look at the price section. Look at this candle. Look today pre-market. What do you see? What do you see? Who asked APP? Tomer, hi. Thank you very much for joining this live. I appreciate you taking the time and joining us. I don't take it as obvious. What do you say on APP, Tomer? You tell me. This price action, yesterday's price action, one candle took out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 previous candles. So what does it tell you? What does it tell you? First, you need to work on your stop loss. Second, no long. For now, no long. Now, if you're lazy, you can take the FTI version 5. Version 5 tells you sell signal going inside the yellow zone, broke below the trend lines. That's it. Get out before we lose more. Of course, only my opinion. What is this bug here? Scary high bug. Learn to read price action, ladies and gentlemen. Everything I say it for you. Suggestions, not tips, not financial advice. Suggestions. If you don't know how to read price action, just look at a chart without anything on it, and you don't know what to do next, this is your number one signal and the only signal that you need to stop trading. That's it. If you want to be good at something, if you want to be ahead of the curve of something and not just be like someone who gets led by others, if you want to be a leader, if you want to be successful, if you want to be a professional, anything that you want, in this case trading, stop trading and get the proper education. Invest in yourself. Don't invest in APP or Tesla or Apple or SPY or TQQQ or TIM or SolarEdge or any of these names. And it doesn't matter the name. It doesn't matter the stock. If you don't know what you're doing, stop doing what you're doing. Take the proper education. Invest in yourself. Take the money that you are already losing trading. And let's be honest, 95% of all traders lose money, at least in their first year. 80% lose their money in their second year. Until you become a professional trader, it takes 2 to 5 years. Listen to me carefully. It takes between 2 to 5 years until you can become consistent, profitable trader. And if you want to do it, stop trading today, get the proper education, be professional, be a lion, don't be a sheep. And it's just not about these specific requests. I'm talking to the general viewers, to all of you out there. Risk management, price action, that's it. Master this and you're 90% of the way to become professional traders. Yeah, there was a breakout. She broke above this 45 But you need to have a stop loss. If you don't have a stop loss, stop trading. Stop trading. No one knows what will happen next. The hard, cold truth is that once we put on a trade, anything can happen. A stock can go up 8%, and as we can see, it can crash 9% in a heartbeat. No one knows what will happen next. This is why we learn and we emphasize, especially in my course and in the one-on-one live or in the group live learning groups, we emphasize risk management from day one, from the first session to the fourth session. And every day in our Discord, premium room, swing trading room, general chat, doesn't matter. Where is your stop loss? Where is your stop loss? How do you manage risk? Where is your stop loss? Don't have stop loss? Stop trading. You're losing money. Take the money that you already lost once again because you didn't put stop loss. And once again, I'm not talking only to Tomer, I'm talking to all of you. 95% of all of you, this is the statistics, lose money or already lost a lot of money, or you're on your way to lose a lot of money. 95% of you. So do you want to be in this 95% or do you want to be at the 5%? It's your choice. And I'm pretty sure that all of you want to be in this small group, elite group of the 5% of successful traders, right? So, stop trading, get the proper education. If you want, I can help you. I've been there. I know what you're going through. Believe me, I've been there. It took me 2 full years, every day, struggling with myself, every day, losing money every day, 2 whole years. If I could say the F word, I would say the F word. It took me 2 F years of struggling, losing money, sleepless nights, terrible weekends, 16, 17 hours a day in front of the PC, in front of the computer, in front of the screens, until one day it clicked. And I'm here to help you, if you will accept my help, of course, to shorten this learning curve. It's a roller coaster ride, and we can do it together, hand by hand, until you will become a professional trader. KRE, who asking KRE? Roy, you did not see my daily market recap. Every day I post. Every day I post 2 videos. One in English, one in Hebrew. 12 a.m. Eastern time, New York time. 7 a.m. Israel time. One in Hebrew, one in English. One of those names that I go each and every day. The carry. So what do you see on the carry? Take Fibonacci. Swing high. Swing low, sorry, swing high. If you want to go long, as you can see, the 53 area, very tough resistance. Now pre-market, we have this gap over here that needs to get filled. Then the 50-60 needs to hold. Then, if the 50-60 will fail to hold, 48-40 will be next. What else? Hi Jonathan, why am I talking in English? Because this is an English speaking channel. What else do we have? Hi Lital, good morning. FFIV. Yesterday. Nice gap to the upside, and during the day, close the gap. Still have a small gap over here. FFIV with the FTI version 5. Now, this area needs to hold the support, breaking below the 182, 177, and 172. To the downside, your stop should be now at the 182.40. Only my opinion. Do your own due diligence, etc., etc. You know the drill. You have stop loss. Perfect, Tomer. Good for you. You're one step ahead of the curve, because 95% of traders don't even know what stop loss is and why we should use stop loss. So good for you. Great job, Tomer. Continue. You will become a successful trader. Manage your risk. This is the only thing we can fully manage, our risk. Nothing else. NVO. Let's take it to the upside. Now, NVO earnings came out. Pre-market gap up. 113 is next, and then 118. Your stop loss should be at the 109. This is the beauty of the FTI version 5. So, can you check SQQ? Why go to the SQQ? Check the QQQ. And if you want to take the SQQ, you need to follow the QQQ. And as long as the QQQ is going down, the QQQ needs to hold the 417. Below 417, 406. And if you see the Q's going down, the SQQ will go 3 times faster than the QQQ. Amazon. Hi Shlomi, thank you very much. Welcome to my channel. I appreciate having you with us. Just for your information, Amazon is one of those regular names that I am covering every day. Every day you have an English stock market review and the same thing in Hebrew every day, 7 a.m. Israel time. Click like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you won't miss it. We go over all the Magnificent 7. We go over SPY, Qs, Bitcoin, some selected ETFs, and more every day, 7 a.m. Israel time. So click the notification bell and you won't miss it. Anyway, Amazon, tomorrow, Thursday, after the bell, we have earnings. And we said we are taking a break from trading this week, at least until Friday or maybe even Monday. I will not take any long positions until Monday. What I have already open, I have my stop loss. If my stop loss will hit, so be it. It's part of the business. Hi Jonathan, please keep in Hebrew, in English. Thank you. What else do we have? Amazon USM. One second. Ladies and gentlemen, it's still an English speaking YouTube channel. Yeah, I do also in Hebrew, but the basis is English. So please keep it in English. USM, uptrend, but we got ourselves a sell signal. Why? Because we entered the yellow zone. Below the yellow zone, we will break also this uptrend channel, going to the 41 and to the 39 to the downside. If you're already long on USM, in my opinion, your stop should be just below the 42.80. And if you're looking to go long on USM, no long yet. Hood. What's going on with Hood? Sideways move, nothing much. What do we see? Struggling to break above the yellow zone inside the downtrend channel. So downtrend until proven otherwise. If you want to go long, in my opinion, and it's not only my opinion, it's also the FTI version 5 opinion, only above, for now, only above 1180. What else do we have? Key. Long time since someone. Kickoff. Nice long continuation above 15 towards 1560 and 1630. The yellow zone, this one over here, let's make it bigger. This yellow zone needs to hold. Your stop should be this green line. You see? This green line is our FTI version 5 stop loss. We don't need to think where to put my stop loss, how to manage my stop loss. We have the green line. Follow the green line as your risk management, but overall key looks good. Thank you very much for sharing this A+ setup. Ladies and gentlemen, put key on your watch list. Shlomi, I've saved a lot of money since I started following you. Thank you very much. This is why we do what we do. To keep our capital, to protect our capital. If we don't protect our capital, that's it. No more money. Think of trading as a job. Think of trading as a business. If you're out of money, you're out of business. Disney, inside candle yesterday, needs to hold the 95.71. Below it, we will retest this yellow zone. But for now, Disney, we are also long on Disney. We took long Disney, I think Monday or last Friday, I don't remember. We are long. Uptrend until proven otherwise. This is our risk management. Long continuation above 97.50 towards the 100. Overall, Disney looks good. Thank you, Shabad. Last one, SoFi. I will not do SoFi. Why? Not because Lital asked, because there are so many. What do we have with SoFi? SoFi is going down without even leave this. Leave it. Just erase his name from your watch list. I beg you. Please. Please leave this name alone. It's not worth the money. It's not worth the hassle. It's not worth nothing. And I don't care what's the name of the... Like I don't care about Tesla. Tesla also looks terrible. I don't care about Tesla. Why you care about SoFi so much? Look at the price action. Sorry, but it's shitty price action. Leave it. Take your money, what's left of it. Go find another opportunities. So many opportunities. You just saw Key. Look at Key. Just imagine if you bought Key a few days back and not SoFi. Open your mind, ladies and gentlemen. Enough with SoFi, enough with SolarEdge, enough with PLTR, enough. Erase those names from your watch list. I beg you, for your sake, for your own sake, for your own bank account. And I don't care what any other analyst, this or that, says about this or that company. And I don't care if it's Apple, if it's SoFi, if it's Tesla, if it's AMD or Nvidia. I don't care the name. I care the price action. For me now, Key, perfect. Perfect setup. Open your mind. You have hundreds, if not thousands of other opportunities. I beg you, no more SoFi. The whole market is red on pre-market. Why is that? Because because Google crashed yesterday after earnings AMD crashed yesterday after earnings. And the market needs cool off. The market needs cool off. Friends, listen. I tell the hardcore truth, whether someone likes it or not. I'm not selling dreams. I'm selling the reality. The reality is that since October, SPY gave us, how much? Since October? Sorry? 21%. By the way, 21%, 21 is a Fibonacci number. All comes down to Fibonacci. So, now, some kind of a pullback, cool off. Bulls / buyers needs to take rest. Perfectly fine. It doesn't matter that, it doesn't mean that the bull market is over. Up to 8%, listen to me carefully, up to 8% retracement, pullback, all over the SPY and the Qs, up to 8%, and we are still in a bull's market. And yes, there is more probability that we will see a pullback between 5 to 8% in the next 5, 6, maybe 8 weeks ahead. We will see 5 to 8% pullback. More likely, then we will go towards the 500 or the 520 on the SPY. More likely. LRCX. Find anything helpful, just hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss the 7 a.m. or the 12 a.m. the stock market recap every day. Every day I put out 2 videos on the stock market recap, English and Hebrew, the same time, 12 a.m. Eastern time, 7 a.m. Israel time, 1 p.m. China time, and 3 p.m. Aussie time. LRCX needs to hold. We got ourselves a sell signal. It doesn't mean we need to go short, but if we are already long, we need to start managing our position much more carefully. Entering this yellow zone, we're entering the no trading zone, which means if we are long, we need to cut off the long. If we want to go long, we need to wait. This is my 2 cents on LRCX. Hat will be the last one for this live. Hat, what do you see? All you need to do is put the FTI version 5 on your chart and it gives you everything. Downtrend, right? Follow the trend. This is why we have the trend line below the yellow zone. Started some kind of a buy signal, but this buy signal doesn't mean we need to go long. It just means that after this short, after this sell pressure, it's time to manage your risk much more carefully. Any other requests, any other comments, suggestions, anything else you want to talk about this live before we wrap it up? As you can see, inside the yellow zone, futures still inside the yellow zone. Let's see where it takes us. In my opinion, we are going super red today. Red hot chili peppers. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining this live. I do appreciate it, each and every one of you. I do appreciate each and every comment from you, and I do appreciate it, each like, subscribe, and each notification bell that you press on. Until the next video, until the next live, please stay safe.